No. The chapter's name is Introduction to Economics. Now we have done economics. What is economics? Anything related to money is called as economics. No. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. In his book, The Wealth of Nations, published in 1776, he defines economic as the science of wealth. Now, what is economics? In layman's term, you can say the money which we have in our hand is termed as economics. Okay? Now, money, does everyone have money? Some amount of money सबके पास रहेगा बराबर. Like even सबसे गरीब आदमी के पास भी at least 2 रुपए तो रहेगा. And the most richest person will also have money. The process of organizing your money is called as economics. Say for example, I give each, you all are 6 students, okay? I give each student 100 rupees. Will all the 6 students spend the 100 rupees in the same way? सब लोग एक ही चीज में पैसा डाले क्या? I am going to do no. Some will go and buy something, others will go and save that money, someone will go and give it to their parents. So everyone has a different way of dealing with money, of saving money. That is called as economics. That is a person's way of managing or controlling his money is called as economics. This will come as your fill up. So just write this line. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics and underline Adam Smith. This will 100% come for your fill ups. 100. अभी तक हर साल आया ये. I'm sure this year also it will. Dash is known as the father of economics, Adam Smith. So it will come. Adam Smith is known as the father of Dash. So you'll have to write economics. So remember this chapter. Then another question would, what was the book written by Adam Smith? The book written by Adam Smith is The Wealth of Nations. This is your, if you all have your textbook, na, textbook mein there's an extra paragraph over there, like facts, interesting facts. So in that, this is given. Mostly I don't teach that because I don't feel it comes, but this will 100% aata hi aata. That's why I put this in the first slide. I see you. Aaron, you're there in the lecture? Okay, that's me. Oh, sorry. Everyone just write the first day and let me know once or not.
Done.
Okay. Yes, I'll be sending. Arya, I'll be sending the PDF on the. इसके साथ there are notes also with it only. So now, before we go ahead, don't write or don't draw this. Just look at the diagram. Just look at the diagram. Just see what जो दिया है उसके सामने का price भी देखो. Just see. Just go through it one time, then I'll tell you all the questions. This is all from your textbooks. Okay, I'm not giving marks. All from your textbook. Okay, now see. This is the items and estimated expenditure. That is daily food for 6,000 rupees, buying 2 sets of uniform for 2,000, school stationery for 500, medical expenditure 450, recreation 500. What is the meaning of recreation? Going out to play, like parties, going to parties, going out to gyms, going out to have, going for movies. Recreation matlab entertainment. Your mobile bill 1,000 rupees, vegetable fruits 1,000. Public transport 2,600. This is monthly, yeah, monthly के हिसाब से बोल रहे. Electricity bill monthly 1,500. Tourism 4,000. Bank installments 3,000. Where is donation? Sridhar, where can you see donation? No, it's not donation. It's how much I spend. Like for example, how much I spend for daily foods 6,000. How much I am spending for school stationery? This is how much I spend. How much one person spends. This is not donation. Okay, what is the total? Total कितना हुआ? How much I spend? Okay, yeah, yes, Rio, that recreation donation also can. Yeah. So total कितना हुआ मेरा पैसा spend over here? How much is it done?
2,500.
22,550.
Yes, 22,550. Okay. Now the question is, suppose this is your expenditure this month. Okay, so that 22,550 is मेरा 1 month का expenditure. मतलब एक महीने में मैं इतना पैसा उड़ा रहा हूँ. But my monthly income is only 20,000. So what am I doing now? I am spending more than my monthly income. So if my monthly income is only 20,000 and I have to reduce it, kitna, if I have to make it 20,000, how much money I have to reduce from here? अगर मेरे को ये 22,550 को 20,000 करना है, तो how much money would I have to reduce? It's so easy, guys.
2,250.
Yes, absolutely. 2,550. Then it becomes 20,000. Okay. So now if I have to minus 2,550, if I have to minus 2,550, yes, I have to minus it from somewhere. So now each one of you tell me किधर से मैं पैसा काट सकता है यहाँ से. For example, I'll say daily food 6,000. मुझे रोज 6,000 का खाने का जरूरत है क्या? Will I eat every day food for 6,000?
No, sir.
1,000.
So, not 1,000. ठीक है. I'll cut it down to 5,000. ठीक है. 1,000 बोला ऐसा दिन में मैं कुछ चपाती भाजी खा पाएगा फिर इससे. So I'll keep it 1,000. Okay. So मेरा 1,000 इधर बच गया. So now I have more 1,000 to go. Now next is tourism. Tourism का 4,000. मतलब मैं हर महीने घूमने जाएगा क्या? Will I go every month to Rome?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So here also I can cut some money. So let me cut. So I'll just keep 2,000 for 2,000 for tourism. So total 2,000 plus 1,000, 3,000. So I have come below my limit. So now my total. So 22,000. Just okay, but I'll only do it. One thing, is everyone understanding this? समझ रहे तुम लोग?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you all another example. Okay, let me just do this for you all, because this is तुम लोग का first page. The chapter I'm telling is very small, so you all just understand properly. There's nothing else I want. That is minus 3,000. Now when I do 22,550 minus 3,000, that is 2,000 plus 1,000, I get 19,550, which is less than my salary. Is this less than my salary? 19,550 less than my salary? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Arey bolo.
Yes.
Yes. So I am saving my money, right? I am saving my money. Okay, wait. If this is a little complex for you. Okay. So now, as we discussed, how would we, if we have only 20,000 income, how would we reduce the value? Is like हम लोग अपने daily food से काटेंगे, then we'll remove from our tourism. We'll try to cut our budget of what we spend right now and save that amount of money for later. Now, the word economics comes from the Greek word oikonomia. Okay. The word economics comes from the Greek word oikonomia, which means family management. There's a lot of similarity between family management and economics. Okay. Why is everyone's camera off? Guys, you all are getting recorded, so please keep your cameras off. So there are only 6 students, so it's okay. You all can keep your cameras. No, just tell me one thing. If I am staying alone, ठीक है, मैं एकदम अकेला रह रहा है, I'm a bachelor and I am earning 10,000 for myself. ठीक है. In that 10,000, do you feel I can take care of myself? 10,000 में एक अकेला आदमी का मैं ध्यान रख सकता है ना?
Yes.
I don't. I can just cook my food and मेरे को इतना सामान लगे क्या नहीं. So I'm okay with 10,000. I can go and spend some money outside also. Now, if I have a family, मेरे शादी हो गए, मेरे को बच्चे हो गए, 2 बच्चे मेरे को. Now, can I take care of 2 kids, 1 wife, and myself with only 10,000 rupees? Is it possible?
No.
No, absolutely not. Okay, this is called as family management. basically to differ, you distinguish the cause. Say for example, if you have a brother, okay, just give me 1 second guys, take second. Oh, sorry. Yeah. What I was saying, yeah, family management. Say for example, if you have a brother or a sister and you want some gift, ठीक है? समझो तुम you and your brother तुम दोनों को कुछ gift चाहिए. You can hear me, right? Hello, मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. If
Yes,
you
sir.
and your brother or you and your sister both want a gift and you go to your parents, तुम लोग का parents बोले कि तेरे को देने का जरूरत नहीं, तेरे भाई को एक gift दे दे. Will they do this? करते
No.
हैं ऐसा? I don't think so. No. That is called as family management. So this is also one answer which will come. This you all have, okay? In this chapter, na तुम लोग को one word answers both आएंगे. So the question in the textbook given, from which Greek word is the term economics taken? So the word economy taken from the Greek word oikonomia. Okay, just write the first one. इतना से इतना. Again, it's a very important fill-ups के लिए 100% आते हैं. And in this lesson, you all have answer in one word. So this will come.
Sir, done.
Yes, absolutely, Srijit. Now, see, Srijit has given one example that even if we are rich, it doesn't mean we can be rich forever. You know, I mean, how rich people stay rich. Rich, anyone can become rich. How rich people stay rich is by cutting down their costs. Okay, by not spending. Like I'm telling you, I am 21 years old now. जब मैं starting में when I used to earn money, ना even now, okay, when I used to earn money, देखता था ठीक है, हाँ अभी मेरे को इतना पैसा, अगले महीने पैसा गायब हो गया. किधर गायब हो गया? मैकडोनल्ड से एक दिन ऑर्डर कर रहा है, KFC से ऑर्डर कर रहा है. In that only my money is going. And that is why I was not saving money. So that's why now I started. मैं भाजी चपाती खाता है घर पे अभी. That's how I save money. Let's go ahead. We understand from economics how to use time, money, labor, and land effectively. How to satisfy the infinite needs of people using various resources is to study the matter of economics. According to Lionel Robbins, economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Now, for example, if I have to give, if तुम लोग ने मेरे को बोला कि मुझे पानी पीने का, ठीक है? If you all want to drink water, yes, okay. If you all want to drink water, and I keep two bottles front of you. एक है बिस्लरी का पानी, ठीक है, जिसमें एकदम लाइक बिस्लरी का स्टिकर विकर लगा है, दैट इज फॉर 40 रुपीज. और एक बोतल सामने रखे है, उसमें ढक्कन ही नहीं है और बोतल पे पूरा मिट्टी लगा हुआ है, दैट इज फॉर 10 रुपीज. which bottle will you all choose?
Bisleri.
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 Okay, Srijit says the mitti one. Why Srijit will choose a dirty water? If you drink that, you will fall sick, na? क्यों choose कर रहा है गंदा वाला? Okay, no. So now what happens? Okay, but Harry, you try to save money, but if you fall sick drinking that water, then the doctor और ज्यादा पैसा लेने वाले. उससे अच्छा अभी थोड़ा खर्चा करके you take the water, ना? The same way we also have choices in our life. We have literally choices in everything. Okay, give me a product. Tell me a product which you all use on day-to-day life. No worries. Don't be sorry for it. Give me a product which you all use. क्या?
Oil.
Oil. Okay, oil. Now oil में भी अपने पास option है. Sunflower oil है. Then there is one other or oil का नाम बताओ.
Hair oil.
Hair oil. Okay. Hair oil we have parachute का hair oil आता है, coconut hair oil आता है, Give me some other hair oil. Give me some hair oil का names. एक इसका पतंजलि का भी hair oil आ गया अभी तो. Then Mamaearth का there is hair oil. So you all Indulekha. So you all have different choices. एक product का 100 choices है. Butter. Okay, so it says Amul butter. There's butter. There's Amul butter. Then there is one cow. There's one milk-free butter. There is one fat-free butter. Then there is one salt-free butter. And so one butter ka also different variants are come. So we have the choices. Now these choices differ. Okay, these choices differ. For example, as your status keeps on growing, okay, this as your money status keeps on growing, your social structure also keeps on growing. For example, if I am a poor person, I will not think of buying a Bisleri bottle. मैं जिधर मैं एक bottle पकड़ेगा उसमें पानी भर के I will drink that only. When I am middle class, okay, I will only choose Bisleri water. But if I am rich people drink sparkling water. Have you all heard about sparkling water? इतना कड़वा लगता है ना. Has anyone heard? Sparkling water is just water but in a glass का bottle. ठीक है, और वो 200 रुपए का एक bottle आता है. Now, is there any need for us to drink 200 रुपए का bottle में पानी, which bottle we are never going to use again? No. But why rich people buy it? Because it has become a status symbol, and that is how economics work over here. As your as your income grows, your social structure also keeps on growing. For example, another example I'll give you all. Will you all use the same type of clothes all throughout your life? अभी जो कपड़ा पहने तुम लोग पूरा जिंदगी वही पहनेगा क्या? Tell me. No, right? You all will grow. You तुम लोग का choices बदलेगा, right? Now तुम लोग को लगे अरे मेरे को ये कलर अच्छा लगता है. After some years you'll like मेरे को ये कलर अच्छा लगता है. I like another color. So everything in life will keep on changing. Next, as we manage the finances of a family, similarly, villages, cities, states, countries, and also and world also need to have economic management. Geographically speaking, the enterprises related to the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services in a specific region is called an economy. On a global level, there are three types of economy. Okay, so we have total three types of economy. Now this is very I don't write it, just read because I'm sending on the PDF, but this is very important. Okay, one is capitalistic economy, second is socialistic, third is mixed economy. Okay, I'm saying it again: capitalistic, socialistic, mixed economy. Is this done with you all? पढ़ा है तुम लोग ने ये पहले?
Yes, miss. Yes, sir. You teach this lesson first. We have question answers also.
तो मेरे को बोला कि नहीं तुम लोग स्टार्टिंग में खाली वर्ड सिखाते जा रहा है. Was everyone there during this chapter? Everyone?
Yes.
सर पर बहुत पहले सिखाया था.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट
So,
यूनिट टेस्ट
First
के
unit.
वक्त.
हाँ तो हो गया, टाइम हो गया ना. नो वरीज, आई एम टीचिंग इट अगेन. यू ऑल कैन लर्न. नाउ तुम लोग का रिवीजन हो जाएगा. गुड फॉर ऑल. नाउ कैपिटलिस्ट इकोनॉमी. यस, capitalist economy is where ownership and means of management production is in the hands of private individual. It means that only one person is responsible for the entire for the entire operation. Okay, I gave an example of a hotel. Okay, now say for example Srijit. Now if Srijit opens a hotel, who is responsible for the entire hotel? That is Srijit. ठीक है, जो भी पैसा आएगा किसके आ जाएगा? Srijit. Say for example मैं उसके होटल में आके मारामारी कर दिया, होटल का पूरा कांच वाच सब तोड़ दिया, तो और मैं भाग गया, तो जो कांच वाच तोड़ा उसका सब पैसा कौन भरेगा? सृजित ही भरेगा. Why? Because he is only responsible for the hotel. He is the sole responsibility. So that comes under capitalistic, when the organization or the ownership goes to only one person. Is it understood, everyone? Everyone
Yes.
understood? Yes. Germany, Japan, and USA have taken this type of economy. Second is socialistic economy. It means that ownership is in the hands of government. For example, the schools of our country. Some schools are government-aided schools. Hospitals, you can say. Every big organization under the ownership of government is called as socialistic economy. That is undertaken by whom? China and Russia. The last but not the least is mixed economy, where both capitalistic and socialistic both come together. Where there is जहाँ पे एक private individual also owns property and land, and where the government also owns the property and land. The best example is India and Sweden. India में तुम लोग देखते, there are hospitals that are private hospitals and there are hospitals that are public hospitals which are government aided. So we come under mixed economy. Okay, I'm not saying तुम लोग लिखो मत ये because I'm sending the PDF so you all can write it. No. One second. Globalization of the economy. The recent economic policies are taking the economy towards globalization. Globalization means building a world economy. World economy is a borderless economy in which natural resources profit, service, capital, labor, and technology flow freely across borders of countries. Globalization means aligning the country's economy with the world economy. Again, this will come 100%. What is the meaning of globalization? Globalization is that means aligning the country's economy to the world economy. Write it down if you have it. It will come in one-liners as well as fill-ups. 100% आएगा ही आएगा. Dash means aligning the country's economy to the world economy. Answer is globalization. या उल्टा पूछेंगे. Globalization means aligning the dash economy to the dash economy, country's economy to the world economy. Please do not write world economy to the country's economy. उल्टा हो जाएगा. मतलब तुम लोग पूरा world को भिखारी कर रहे हैं अपन. It's not that. Okay, it's the country's economy to the world economy. Yes, Jia, tell me.
Sir, but we don't have this lesson now. It was in unit test, no?
You all don't have 7th lesson. Someone texted me that they have 7th and 8th lesson for this.
Eighth lesson is not there.
Seventh.
Seventh lesson is
Seventh.
there.
अरे no worries. Not हो गया सिखा के no. 7th and which chapter you all have? 7th and
6 and 7.
6th and 7th. 6th we are done with, right? 6th हो गया अपना.
Sir, 1 minute. Let me see my syllabus.
Yeah,
Sir, but we have 8 lessons.
You all have, na? As long as that student
It's at
have, I'm
12th
okay.
BA.
12. I'm teaching Allah, so this will do geography only. So now just do one thing, na. Just message me which chapter you all have. So मैं उस हिसाब से PDF बना लेगा. Now because the 7th chapter बहुत छोटा है. So next lecture I'll be taking 2 chapters. That is your 7th and 12th chapter. So थोड़ा लंबा चलेगा lecture.
Sir, 9 and 7 and 9. Trade
Seven.
lesson and 7th one.
7th is done now, but if I'm doing it, 7th is done. Check, guys. Everyone just check. I feel I'm 100% sure 7th is done, but just check. Okay, next, what are the functions of economy? First is deciding the product quality and quantity. Basically, what I want to sell, uska quality and quantity, I have to decide. Second is minimize the production cost as much as possible. Now, can anyone tell me why is the second point so important? Minimize the production cost as much as possible. Anyone, why is that important? Any idea, guys? Yes. Okay. Now, when say for example, when I am selling, give me a product. Oh, yes. So give me a product. Give me a nice product. I'll explain it to you. बोलो एक product दो मेरे को. Butter. Okay, I know I'm catching butter. ठीक है. Now, if I sell butter, क्या ठीक है butter बोल दिया उसने पहले so I'll take butter. Now, if I'm selling butter for 50 rupees, ठीक है, I am selling butter for you for 50 rupees, but to make that product, वो butter को बनाने को ही मुझे 40 rupees लग रहे. So how much? What is my margin of income? If I am selling it for 50 rupees,
47.
how? अरे सुनो, listen, सुनो. If I am selling it you for 50 rupees, but मेरे को वो चीज बनाने को ही 40 रुपए लग रहा है, तो मेरा प्रॉफिट कितने रुपए का होएगा?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. This is my difference, right? So as much as I keep growing, now say for example, now if I have to, if I am selling 50,000 worth of butter, so kitna, how much money will I require to make that much butter?
40,000.
40,000, right? तो मेरा margin कितना होएगा? What is going to be a profit?
10,000.
10,000. Okay. Now, do you all think that if I invest 40,000 and I only get 10,000, is that a good deal for me? Yes or no?
No.
No, sir.
Absolutely no. Okay. So what is the meaning of minimizing the production cost? Say for example, if I am selling for 50 rupees, but to make that particular product, I am only taking 10 rupees. So what my profit margin becomes? It becomes 40 rupees. Barabar? Am I right? And the same thing. That is
Yes.
why I try to minimize my cost as much as possible. Okay. Next is distribution of national income according to social and economic justice. To distribute the income in proper place and everyone deserving for it. Like Chinese product. Yes, you can say that. Making appropriate provisions for the economic needs of the future. Now when we speak about our economy, we are only going up. Okay, COVID के वजह से we have taken a back step, but we are only going up. We are not coming down. Deciding for whom the goods will be produced. Okay, for deciding for whom means we have to keep a target audience in mind. Okay, will I go and sell a iPhone 10 or sorry, a iPhone 13 to an old person?
No, sir.
No.
I will go and sell it to a youth, right? So I have to keep my target audience in mind. Thus, an economy strives to create a balance between limited resources and unlimited resources. And that is your chapter. Is this chapter understood by everyone?
Yes,